At the swim up bar with my drink. Finally a mojito. They said they've been without mint for multiple days, but they was hiding the mint. I had to call them out. I said, I see some mint. Give it to me. I want a mojito. So we are off for vacation. It is 4 a.m. Say hey, babe. So, at the airport. And we're off for vacation. American gives you free cocktails of your choice when you sit in the exit row seats. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So my husband and I, we are in Antigua, and I realized that it wasn't Antigua, it's Antigua, but we are here for a wedding, and it's been drizzling on and off because of Tropical Storm Tammy. So hopefully Tropical Storm Tammy swerves and doesn't come this way. But we are waiting for the rest of our friends to come in tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Because like I said, Tropical Storm Tammy, we don't know what's going to happen. But we are here. The resort is beautiful. And we're ready to have a good time. You walk in, you got a mirror all right here. The bed, I love this mirror wall. So cute. I love the decor. I love blue in our room. Then let me show y'all the bathroom. So you got your sink, your mirror, of course. The shower in the bathroom. And I love this design. All right, so we are dressed. We're ready for dinner. We're about to go to the steakhouse. I have on this fit. That's what I'm wearing for tonight. So we just had dinner at Hunter. Well, we're still here. I got the salmon and mashed potatoes, and I didn't realize it came with vegetables. And I got a Caesar salad, which was a large portion. My husband got steak and mashed potatoes. So, I'm stuffed. I don't have room for dessert. I don't know what we're gonna get into next. So. so hot. Like, I'm like hot.
Go to one more right now.
It is day 2 in Antigua, and we are off to breakfast. It's still not very sunny outside, but we're gonna see where the day takes us. Last night was super fun at the sports bar. We got to request like songs, and Gigi was playing them, and people was turned up, baby, okay? So we have us a pink fit today. So they have the pink and black. The people are pissed this morning. Like I told y'all, it has been like a tropical storm, a hurricane watch. So the resort is shut down. They just shut down the island 5 p.m. yesterday. They told us this morning that each floor has to eat at a certain time. And one restaurant is open for breakfast. My husband is pissed at this point. This is a whole mess. Update. So they got all these people in line. I know these people about to lay them out because people's pissed when you spend hella money. But at the end of the day, these people can't control the hurricane. These people just trying to get in preparation of what could possibly happen. So we shall see. And the sun is out. Yes, sun, come through. I want to get in the pool, go on the beach, but I think the pool's closed because the hurricane coming. Fingers crossed that the hurricane don't come. But we just had breakfast, and it was a lot of people because they only had one restaurant open because they lost staff because they shut down the island yesterday. So at the beach, at least it's not raining. The wind is blowing. Feels pretty nice. It's not like too hot though, so it is what it is. People are pissed. Like the restaurants are like closed. There's no liquor being served. They're trying to like give everybody like times when they can eat by your floor. But the people are not happy. People are complaining. But I mean, it is hurricane season. I don't know what the resort can do if the government shut down the island. So just lounging around. The spa's not open. pool's not open. The restaurants are not open. So I hung out at the beach at least today. It's not really much to do. It is day 3, so the hurricane was supposed to hit last night, and I think it kind of skipped us, so that's good, but it went to another island. So things are back to normal here, to say. We are eating on regular glass plates instead of the to-go Tupperware. Things are opening back up, like the coffee shop and some of the other restaurants. And the bar finally opens today at 11. So it's still raining. So we're gonna see. I think I'm gonna go to the spa today. Because, get a little relaxation. Look at him back here in my video. He's funny. So a bunch of us are here for a wedding, so that was somebody from the wedding and hopping in my video. So the spa is able to take me in 15 minutes. So I had to come run and get my bathing suit, get my coupon because I want my dollars off. About to get me a Swedish massage and just relax, baby. I tell you, much needed. I do recommend that when you go international, get massages because they are different in different countries. Believe it or not, very different. So I'm gonna see how the spa is. Relaxation room where you wait for your massage. I have to give y'all a full view. It's super cute in here. Thoroughly enjoyed. So since I got my massage first, I'm gonna take advantage of the hydrotherapy thing, but I have to shower first to get all of the oil off me that she used, because you don't want all of that in all of the water and all that. So I finished showering. I'll put my shower cap on, my bathing suit on, and I'm in the steam room. Now this is what I call a spa day, baby. I'm gonna be here for hours, okay? If you have never gone to the spa, like internationally, I advise you to do so, because like the regular spas that you may go to, like a massage and they are a hot stone, like they are not the same. Here we go. Over here you have the jacuzzi, and I have it all to myself. This is what I'm talking about, okay? like massage things in the water. Yeah. I finished in the water circuit. Now I'm just relaxing this thing in the heater. Messy, but it's okay because I'm gonna fix it. It needs to dry, but the curl pattern is nice. So I took advantage of a cold shower. You get in and it's like so many different. I'll show you what it looks like. You get in and cold water comes from all of these different things. But it's not like overwhelming. It kind of reminds you of like mist, but a little bit more than mist. And then the chromotherapy, you get in and it the water comes from up top here and it lights up. So I'll get back in. And it actually is cold and then it's hot. So, yeah. So I'm gonna end in the sauna room. So let's go on in. I'm sure everybody knows what a sauna room is. But I'm gonna get up here and get my relaxation on. This has been a much needed day, okay? Like, I don't think y'all understand. It has finally stopped raining. It is 8:36 p.m. It's been raining all damn day. It's been raining since we got to this resort, to be quite honest, because of the hurricane. But I feel like all I've been doing is eating. Just eating food. And I'm really out here eating like I don't have another vacation in 3 weeks. It has not been no sun. I have not got to experience the 365 beaches because that's what Antigua is known for. There are beaches, the blue, the green beauty, the mountains, you know. But yeah, I'm just out here. They about to have a band play. A rainy trip it has been. Good morning. It's Monday. This is the first day. It's no rain because it's been raining our whole time here. But the view is beautiful. I'm headed to the beach. I just ate breakfast with my husband. And hopefully the sun comes out because it's not out. But it is what it is. Today is the wedding for the couple. So we're going to see where today takes us. I guess this is the best we're going to get today. Well, for now. The sun's not out, but it's trying to come out. So I'm walking the beach. Very beautiful. So this trip has been a very rainy trip. I haven't got to experience everything that I wanted to experience. However, it's been like a good time away. You know, I'm a new mom. So my husband and I got to spend some quality time together. I got to eat some good food. At least I got to make it to the beach. I came here a few times, but so like I said, it wasn't the best, but with the hurricane, I tried to make it the best that I could. But like a lot of the amenities were down, so we couldn't do everything that we may have wanted to do. But Yeah, I'm gonna send Royalton an email when I get home letting them know I need a partial refund because I paid for all inclusive and I did not get all inclusive my whole time here. So, and our other friends were supposed to come in. They didn't make it. They did not make it. Their flight was canceled because of the hurricane, so they were not able to come. Unfortunately, we missed them very much, but we're making the best of it. The wedding's today. It's Monday, so the wedding is here today, and we leave tomorrow. So we are about to go kayaking. You want to leave anything else? No. We are out here kayaking. Oh. At the swim-up bar with my drink. Finally a mojito. They said they've been without mint for multiple days, but they were hiding the mint. I had to call them out. I said, I see some mint. Give it to me. I want a mojito. Anyway, kayaking was fun. I was a little nervous because I didn't want to fall over in the water. I have a wedding to go to today. I don't want to get my front of the hair wet. I'm gonna eat some lunch. The wedding is at 4. We gotta be there at 3:30. I told my husband we're gonna have to redo this out because I didn't get the full experience. And one of the things that I want to do is the Stingray, but it's on a whole complete other side of the island. So I'm gonna have to do that one day. Anywho, I'm enjoying my drink, enjoying my time, enjoying the pool. I'm about to take a mixology class. So I don't know what we're making.
7, 6,
But we're gonna see. My husband signed us up for this.
8.
Meanwhile,
I'm kidding. Bring it down, everybody. Bring it down. Beautiful job. From here, dumbbells back out to the side. You're gonna bend the knees for me, and all you're gonna do is stretch the knees, drop the hands, just like this. Right here.
but the girl.
Shaka Top wants a shot.
Salute, happy birthday.
Go for it. Stop. Where's my shot? What's going on?
We all made our pink pussies. That's the name of the drink. Theirs is really pink. So we get to taste everybody who made a drink. He's pouring the drink. We're tasting Megan's drink right now.
It's terrible teller.
Let's drink.
Sorry about that.
All right, we tasting Allison's drink now.
Sorry in advance.
I didn't say to go yet.
All right.
Alice, you don't like me.
So everybody who made a cocktail, we gotta taste everybody's cocktail. This is Rob's. Rob. This is Rob. Let's see, Rob. No, this is Rob's. Rob, it's liquor. I taste it. It's not sweet. We got everybody. Now, that side are the Britons. They are from the UK.
What's your name?
What's your name?
The Britons said that Rob's drink was too strong. Those are the Britons over there. Said that was too strong. Now I'm tasting Sebastian's drink. This is Sebastian, my husband. We're gonna see.
Okay, Mr. Greatness. Okay. Mr. Greatness.
Okay. We got a little bit of sweetness.
Mr. Greatness? Yeah. Mr. Greatness?
So we are dressed for the wedding. We're in blue. He's in blue. It's finally the wedding. It's Monday. So this will be the rest of our evening, wedding festivities. So today we leave, and of course this is the best weather that I have ever seen here. Like the sun is out. It just looks so beautiful. Last night we went to the wedding. The wedding was nice. But we were leaving today, so we didn't stay the whole time because I needed to pack my bags, get myself ready for today. We are back home. I'm tired. I gotta work tomorrow. It's almost to midnight. We had a good trip away for a few days, although the weather sucked. But we got another vacation in 3 weeks, or 2 weeks, however you want to count it. So, yay! It's cold. Oh, yeah. That was our little mini vacay away to Antigua for a destination wedding. Thanks for watching.